Hi everyone, my name is Gail Lee and I'm taking a class at BYU, Idaho. It's CIT 336, Section 02. It's Web Back-End Development. I live in Rockford, Illinois. Rockford is about 90 miles west of Chicago and about 25 miles south of the Wisconsin border. I'm taking this class for my degree. My degree is in web page development. A little about myself. I have some part-time jobs, several of them. I work for the community college. I teach for both community ed and adjunct. The classes I teach are a Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and so I teach others how to use the product. I do both beginning, intermediate, and advanced levels. And sometimes it's challenging when I have students who are at all different levels in one class, but I enjoy teaching. Another part-time job I do during the week is I act as bookkeeper for a music store. The music store is a home business, and I do the bookkeeping for the business. So I'm in charge of paying all the bills, receiving the money, and all that kind of fun stuff. Tonight I just got done with helping the owner rent musical instruments to band students who are in fifth and sixth grade um, to begin playing instruments. So it was kind of fun. So that's why I'm recording my video late tonight. And I went to the temple earlier. So very busy this week. I'm looking forward to this class. Again, I'm taking class because it's a requirement for my degree, and I'm hoping to finish summer of 2020. So next year, if I can get the last 6 classes done plus my internship and capstone. So the end is getting closer for that. I'm glad I have the Pathway program has helped me to get back into school. I took classes many years ago, and this is a way I found out I could finish my degree. So I'm very excited. My interest outside of class that I also like to do is ceramics. I love to pour the molds and then take the pieces out and paint them. I have a kiln, and so that is fun to do in my spare time, which right now with classes, I probably won't have much spare time. My greatest strength and weakness, those are kind of hard to figure out. But what I decided my greatest strength would be leadership. Since I've had many callings at the church that I've had to have leadership responsibilities, I learned how to do delegation. I learned how to do trainings for people. And I'm kind of take charge kind of person, although I will listen and I'm open to lots of different discussions. My perceived weakness, I think, would be in wanting things to be done perfect. A lot of times when I'm going to do something, I think about what I want and I make a draft and then I redo and I redo until it becomes right. So like I said, I'm probably a little bit of perfectionist, which could be perceived as a strength, but I'm often told that I like to do things over and over until I get right. But that's not all bad, right? So this is my video that we're supposed to do so we could introduce ourselves. I look forward to working with all the rest of you in class, and this is going to be hopefully a fun class and a learning class. Every class I've taken, I've learned so much, and I've took away more than I ever thought. Um, so it's great. I can't wait to meet all of you, and hope to have more discussions with you. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.